Today we'll be installing the TLR-8 sub on a firearm. Always want to practice safety first. We're going to remove the magazine, and we've already checked to make sure that there are no rounds chambered. The next thing you want to do is pay close attention to a couple things on the 8 sub. We've already loosened the screw. Notice that the jaws are spring-loaded. That'll ease in the installation. Also take notice that there is a special key here. That key is meant to fit right into the notch on your rail. Put it on from the side, trying to match up that key to the notch on your rail, and then release the screw. Use the included multi-tool to tighten the screw. Just hand tighten it. And now we have it installed on the firearm. Another great feature of the TLR-8 sub is that it comes with high and low switches. One is a larger switch that gives you more comfort in activating the product. The other side, or the low switch, can allow you to maybe have more clearance on this side. So we're going to use the included multi-tool, punch the pin through, pull out the high switch, pop in the low switch, using the tool to push the pin back in. And now I've got the clearance that I need on this side and the comfort on this side. Let's install the battery. So unscrew the face cap. A great feature of the TLR-8 sub is that you don't have to remove it from the firearm to exchange batteries. Notice that the small picture here tells you which end of the battery goes in first. So we're going to use the positive end first and return the cap. While tightening it, you may notice that there's a slight divot, a loose space there. It's a safe off function of the light. While you're in transit or in storage, you can't accidentally turn on the light. But once you close it fully, then you can activate the light. Now the light is fully installed.